Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change font size in laptop or PC Windows 11. To start, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After this, in the Accessibility section, click on Text Size. Here, use the text size slider to increase the font size as desired. Click on Apply and wait for this change to take effect. As you can see, the general text of the system has been modified. Now right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. After that, in Scale, you can select any of the available values to increase the size of the context. Finally, in Display Resolution, you can choose one of the options to define the best viewing aspect. Click Keep Changes to apply them. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.